This is your Sailor 1911 standard size Pirate's Life fountain pen. It comes in the standard Sailor outer box there. Inside you have your navy hinged gift box with the Sailor logo and name in gold there on top. When you open that up, you immediately see your Pirate's Life fountain pen. And we are going to set that aside for just a second while we go through the box. So if you lift up your pen bed, you have some information from the company about your North American limited warranty. This pen is a U.S. exclusive. You also have another little booklet here of information about your pen and some maintenance and care information. And then you have 2 Sailor ink cartridges included with your pen, as well as your Sailor ink converter. And this is your Pirate's Life for Me pen. And each of your Pirate's Life fountain pens comes with this kind of a replica of a pirate's coin, and they made it into a pen for you. So it's just a collectible item that comes with your U.S. exclusive Pirate's Life fountain pen. So let's get a better look at your pen. Pull the outer sleeve off. And it is in the popular Sailor 1911 pen design. And this is the standard size. It also comes in oversize. The Pirate's Life fountain pen is any good pirate loves gold. So that's what they went for with their Pirate's Life fountain pen. It's got the deep yellow resin barrel and cap with the gold-plated trim. So the opaque goldish yellow barrel and cap, they really do make the gold-plated trim stand out. This is a spring metal clip. Your standard 1911 design here does have the ring near the end of the barrel, the thick ring followed by a thin ring here at the inside edge of the cap, and then above the clip one more gold ring, one more ring of trim here at the top of the cap. It's a screw-on cap. Oh, and on the thick ring, it does say, engraved in the trim, it does say Sailor, Japan, founded in 1911. Let's see if you can get a look at that. The material of this pen is definitely opaque. It's a screw-on cap. It is postable. This is one of 3 U.S. exclusives that are currently available from Sailor. The Pirate's Life has a 14 karat gold nib that goes along with its gold-plated trim. It's an ink converter or cartridge pen, so when you're ready to use it, you simply unscrew the barrel. You pick up either one of your included ink cartridges or this ink converter. So the ink cartridges, you pick one of these up, and 2 are provided for you with the pen, or you can use your ink converter. If you use your ink cartridge, you just pop the ink cartridge in and then put your barrel back, screw your barrel back on, and your pen's ready to go. If you prefer to use bottled ink, that's when you would pull out your ink converter and insert your converter, and that allows you to use any bottled ink, although it does, Sailor does recommend that you use Sailor brand ink with their fountain pens in order to protect their nibs. I believe the Sailor warranty for their pens, in order for that to be valid, you need to use Sailor brand ink. But this is a beautiful example of the Sailor 1911 design, and I love that they had fun with it this year with the different themes that they came out with. They seemed like a lot of fun while also being pretty appropriate for 2020. So this one's the Pirate Life. You can check out other Sailor U.S. exclusives and products at pinchley.com. The other U.S. exclusives include the Wicked Witch of the West and the Loch Ness Monster. So it's a lot of fun this year.